Hey guys, Happy New Year. Chris here, TD Motion. So we got another Gen 3 Coyote engine. This one is going into a 65 Mustang. It's a whole retrofit setup here. It's going to have a 5-speed Tremec TKX behind it. And a couple things that we just want to cover on this video. Some of it might be considered Mechanics 101, but I have this flywheel in front of me here. If we zoom in a little closer, first and foremost, what you want to do is make sure you have a clean surface. So make sure that the surface is super clean. This is an SFI approved flywheel. Recommend going with one, a steel flywheel over a cast iron one. It's just a better quality one, less problems with any chatter. Also, making sure that the alignment pins are installed in here. Again, very important, so you have proper alignment with the pressure plate and the clutch, and to avoid any vibration. So this we're going to install into the back of the engine here. And if we just go over here real quick, we took off this cooler as we do with most of the engines here, and we just have an adapter that we sell on our website, by the way, that mounts more or less directly to the block. So it definitely gives you extra clearance in the engine bay. So we're going to work our way over to the back here. And this is just show you an example here. We installed the pilot bearing, so important to make sure it's flush. You have some grease in there, so the input shaft goes in there properly. Very important that this plate goes in place in order for the computer to read the amount of teeth on the back of the engine. The engine will not start unless you have this plate on there. This piece is going to come off, of course. We're going to mount this flywheel on here. You get it lined up, of course. You're going to have the mid plate on there first. Another important thing to mention on the flywheel bolts, that you put Loctite on the bolts and thread them in place, lock them down. Typically we'll go about 80 pounds torque on them, and that secures them in place. So just walk around here towards the very front again. This engine, again, is set up for the early Mustangs, works for the Cobra kit cars. We have a low profile oil pan that we switched. Sorry, I'm a person, but the oil pan here, we actually switched it over to a Gen 2. Gives you extra clearance to avoid any interference with the cross member. So all available, tdmotion.com. Please subscribe.